Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple wireless keyboard. So we'll get straight on with the unboxing of this lovely keyboard. It's a full-size UK keyboard which is wireless over Bluetooth. So let's have a look. Just got a trusty knife here to open the cellophane, keep it all nice and clean. You never know what's going to happen in the future with having these. Just like that. Hopefully that's all the cellophane cut. And so just open it and we'll get straight into the keyboard. So there is the full size UK keyboard. Just take that out for a second and have a look at what comes with it. So we get a bit of accessories in terms of just a user guide for the Apple keyboard, and we'll just put the box to one side. And there's the keyboard. It's wrapped in a cellophane wrapping, so we'll just go ahead and take that off. One of the best bits about unboxing any Apple products is this part here. So these keyboards are absolutely fantastic. I had one when I had my iMac, and I've just bought one now to go along with my MacBook Pro. So there is the keyboard all open. On one side we've got the power button, and there's a little tab there just to protect the power button from getting any damage. And on the other side we've got a battery slot, which if I can try and get open with my thumb, to rip off the thing there, see if I can get it open with my thumb. Yeah. And there's two AA rechargeable batteries inside there. So the keyboard batteries last quite a long time, depending on how good your batteries are. Obviously, if you use the ones that come with the keyboard, they last a very long time. So thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing video of the Apple wireless keyboard. It's going to sit right here along with the MacBook Pro on its 12 South Ghost stand and the Magic Mouse, so now I don't actually have to be touching the MacBook at all to use it. And it's really good while linked up to the Apple TV as well, so I can be actually working and having to look at the MacBook whilst it's on the Apple TV. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you've liked it, please subscribe to my channel for more unboxings, reviews and other videos.